Hey guys, you know kingdom Plantae is very much important for us. Already in last video I told you about kingdom classification. Now I will tell you about kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae, we can kingdom Plantae divided into Halophyta, bryophyta, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. And the angiosperms divided into monocots and dicots. So I am starting again here. Kingdom Plantae divided into number 1 Halophyta, number 2 bryophyta. Similarly, number 3 pteridophyta or pteridophytes, number 4 gymnosperms, number 5 angiosperms, and the angiosperms divided into monocot and dicot. Now I will tell you about Halophyta. Halophyta is under kingdom Plantae, means under kingdom plants group. So Halophyta and their characteristic features. Halophytes means they have thallus-like body. Already we know that plants means they have root, they have stem, they have leaves. But in halophytes, they are plants, they are under kingdom Plantae, but they have thallus-like body. Their body has not been divided into, or their body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves, or you cannot distinguish their body into root, stem and leaves. These are the characteristic features of halophytes. They have chlorophyll in their body, so they are autotrophs in nature. So Halophyta, thallus-like body, their body has not been divided into root, stem and leaves. Examples of halophyte, volvox and chlamydomonas. And also any other examples, I have given 2 examples, volvox, chlamydomonas, just like algae. Similarly, second group that is under kingdom Plantae, that is bryophytes. Bryophytes means they have leaf, they have stems, but their root, proper structure of root or the well developed root is absent in their body. They have the false root like structure in their body. In bryophytes it is known as rhizoids. So the false root like structure present in bryophytes, that is rhizoids. Similarly, they are also autotrophs, so they are in their body false root are present. So example are the mosses groups, liverwoods, etc. These are the examples of bryophytes. Next is pteridophytes. All of you have seen, I think you have seen fern, and the structure of fern, you know that plant, they are non-flowering plant. Their body ultimately differentiated into root, stem and leaves, but in their leaves they have spore. In the dorsal surface of their leaves generally spores are present by which they can easily reproduce. So these are pteridophytes, their body differentiated into root, stem and leaves, but these are non-flowering plants and they are autotrophs as they have chlorophyll in their body. Examples, all ferns are under pteridophytes. Next is gymnosperms. Gymnosperms means the main characteristic features of gymnosperm, you can say that their body may be differentiated into root, stem and leaves, but their seeds are not enclosed in the fruits. They have naked seeds and it is known as cones. They have naked seeds which is known as cones. This kind of structure present in the plants of cycas, pine, fir, these are under gymnosperms. So gymnosperms means they have naked seeds, their seeds are not enclosed into the fruits. These are the characteristic features of gymnosperms. Examples of gymnosperms, these are cycas, pine, fir. These are gymnosperms. Next one is angiosperms. So all of you, we are also observing plants, and you know root, stem and leaves well developed. Not only root, stem and leaves, I am talking about well developed root, stem and leaves are present in angiosperms. Just like mango tree, rice, maize, pea plant, apple, so sunflower, these are the examples. There are many examples, I have given few examples of angiosperms. Means the characteristic features of angiosperms means the plants which we are observing in our surrounding. These are mainly angiosperms. They have well developed root, stem and leaves in their body. They have chlorophyll in their body. By the help of chlorophyll they can trap sunlight. With the help of photosynthesis they can produce their food. That's why they are autotrophs. They are mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition, and they have well developed root, stem and leaves. And the angiosperms, their seeds enclosed into fruits, just like gymnosperms, their seeds are not enclosed into the fruits. In gymnosperms they have naked seeds, but in angiosperms their seeds enclosed into the fruits based on the structure of their seeds. In the seeds there is a structure known as cotyledon. If one cotyledon is present, then it is known as monocotyledonous. If two cotyledons are present, it is known as two cotyledons are present. So according to the structure of their seeds, angiosperms divided into monocots and dicots. Monocots means the example maize, rice, etc. In monocots they have single cotyledon in their body, in their seeds. In monocots they have single cotyledon, and in dicots they have two cotyledons in their seeds. Examples of dicots: pea plant, apple, sunflower. These are the examples of dicots. So the basic differences between monocots and dicots: monocots they have one cotyledon in their seeds. Dicots and the seeds there are two cotyledons. Examples of monocot: rice, maize, etc. And examples of dicots: pea plant, apple, sunflower, etc. So Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. And you know the differences between gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms, their seeds are naked, means it is not enclosed into the fruits. But in angiosperms, they have seeds, and the seeds are enclosed, just like mango, seeds enclosed into the fruit. These are angiosperms. But in cycas, pine fir, their seeds are not enclosed, they have cone, their seeds are naked seeds. This structure present in gymnosperms. So thank you class, it is about kingdom Plantae.